Welcome. In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. So if you want to change these straps, first you will need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically to remove the strap, you need to pull on this lever towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it will let you to pull out the strap from the watch. And this mechanism is quite simple. Basically you have one pin on each side of the strap, and these pins are locked in the holes on the watch. I don't know if you can see it right here, 1 and 2. And when you pull on this lever right here on the strap, it basically retracts the pin and lets you to take out the strap from the watch. And here we have our straps and our watch separately. And once you get the new straps and you want to put them on, you grab the strap, you grab the watch, you insert the pin opposite from the lever inside of the hole on the watch, like this. So you insert it on one side, and then you pull on the lever and align it with other hole, which is sometimes a bit of a struggle, but it's not that hard. Okay. Of course, once you align it with the other hole, you just release the pin for it to lock into the hole on the watch. Oh, not like this. As you can see, sometimes it doesn't want to cooperate. Come on. Oh, this time it locked in, and here we have it. And basically that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.